Hi, in this lesson, we will learn how to sort data in columns. First, you have to select the range you want to sort. Then, you go to menu bar and click on data, and then click on sort. Once you click on sort, another window will appear. In this window, make sure you have that option that says my data has headers checked. And then in the option sort by, you click on column B and leave it as smallest to largest. Now this will sort our data based on the column B from smallest to the largest value. As you can see now, we have the data sorted according to column B. Now what if you want to sort this data from the biggest to the smallest value? We click again on sort while the data is selected, and then leave everything as it is, but just change from smallest to largest to largest to smallest. Now, once you click OK on this, the table will be sorted according to B, but this time from the largest value to the smallest value. As you can see now, the table is sorted from the largest value in column B to the lowest value in column B. What if you want to sort this table based on expenses column? So we go back to sort, and from here we select the expenses, and then we leave it from Z to A. Now, once you click OK, the table will be sorted based on the expenses column, but in the descending order of alphabets. Now, as you can see, this is in descending order of expenses. What if you want to make it in ascending order? You go to sort and you click on A to Z. Now, the table is sorted from alphabet A to Z based on the expenses column. Now, what if you want this expenses column, this data to be sorted according to the real months of the year? So in this case, you go back to sort and you go to order, and from here you select custom list. Now, from here we have two options for the months of the year. If your months are entered as complete names of the month, you will go for this option. Otherwise, we go for this option, which suits our data. Our months are entered as APR for April. Now, once you click OK on this, the data will be sorted according to the months of the year in ascending order. Now, as you can see, the data is sorted in ascending order. Thank you for watching.